Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how we can change the battery in this Chevy Cruze key fob here. It works for these models 2017 and 2019 and you don't need any fancy tools. You just need only one battery like this 2032 and you can find this battery everywhere, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key over like this to the back, and right here, well, we need to remove this back piece, this full piece. And to remove it right here in this hole, you need to insert the tip of the small flat screwdriver right here and just push up. And when you push up this way, you can very easily remove this back piece over here. And when you remove the back piece, right after that, here on this side, you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, it's very easy. Just take your small flat screwdriver again, and with the tip here or here, insert the tip and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery here in the same place, just install your new battery like this, and also make sure this side here that faces you is the positive side. So this step here is very important. Now when you insert the battery right here, take this back piece again, make sure you align it perfectly here. Everything have to match nicely and just snap them together like this. And when you snap them together like this, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that. It will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.